Guys, this is how to open or unboxing the gifts from Ninang
Just
Kathy.
rip it. Just rip it. Rip it.
Ninang
Use
Kathy.
2 hands.
Yay! Good job. Oh, wow.
Ang dami. Ano na siya? Complete na.
It's from Ninang Kathy. Can you say, thank you, Ninang Kathy?
Thank you, Nina Kathy.
Very good. Okay, let's unbox it after. Ate, unbox it. What's that? What's inside? Let's have a look. Oh, it's Anko wooden pots and pan set. Wow. Elise will be cooking. Let's see. Ate will unbox it.
Ano naman? Galing. Yung isa wooden ano naman? Ano?
Tea set.
Okay, what's inside?
Huh?
There you go, there you go, there you go. Yay! What's that? It's a big pot. Ooh.
You even have a...
Oh! Oh, look! There's a... What's that? What's that? What's the... Oh, fish! Vegetables! What's that thing?
Mitten.
Mittens or gloves.
Here, wear it. Yay!
Yay! Very good.
Very good.
What else? A pan? A spoon?
And the cover.
And covers. Look at that. Very nice. Thank you, Ninang Kathy.
Thank you, Nina Kathy.
I love you.
I love you.
Very good. It's from Anko. I think Kmart. No.
Yeah.
Cooking, cooking, cooking. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.